Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of using warping as a sound design tool. Last time we talked about using it with the vocal. This time I'm just going to talk about using it with just a general small piece of white noise, and how we can just take this almost one shot and turn it into like a kind of a different sounding, maybe white noise build or any kind of build. This can be used for any type of sound, but I'm just going to use the kind of like a simple kind of white noise sound. And you see the warp engine is turned off here, so let's just turn it on. Now what I like to do is listen to it real quick. So let's just see what we have. Now you hear that's a very, very quick white noise, just very quick. So let's see how we can turn that into a long piece of stretched out white noise and use it for some type of build. And we're totally going to change the sound on it. So what I first like to do is I want the fat part of the waveform to be on the other side, so it builds from the small to this way. So what I'll do here is just hit the reverse button and reverse it. So now we have a reverse. So now let's listen to it. So you see how it changed it up? So now it's kind of going from little volume to high volume. But it's still not where we want it. We want to make a nice long white noise stretch. So I'm going to make this 8 bars. And you see how tiny it turns into. This thing was just 1 bar. So now what you do here is we'll put a warp marker in the beginning, get rid of this warp marker, put a warp marker at the end. So I have 2 warp markers only. Now we just stretch it all the way out, and that's as far as it'll go. So we can get it a little bit further, but that's okay. Okay, so let's just see what we have here. Now we have something like this. Okay? But we still need to do a little bit of work to it. See, now we need to change the warping engine here. So what I like to do is turn it to complex. And now let's see how it sounds. There you go, quick little build. A little bit of reverb on there, and you guys are all set up. So that was just part 2 of how to change a little quick sample into a build. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for next time.